In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your DocuSign plan from a free trial to a free plan. This process is straightforward and perfect for those of you who have enjoyed your free trial but now wish to continue using DocuSign without incurring additional charges. It's good to note that this guide is specifically tailored for those using the free trial account. If you're on a paid subscription, some of the options might appear slightly different, but you'll still find this guide helpful. To start, you'll need to log in to your DocuSign account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. Once on the site, click on the Login button, usually located at the top right of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you have them saved, this part should be a breeze. Once logged in, you're going to look at the top navigation bar. This is where all the important tabs are located, and for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the Admin tab. Go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking the Admin tab, you'll see a new menu on the left-hand side of your screen, often referred to as the sidebar. It's filled with various options that allow you to manage and configure different features of your account. We're interested in one particular section called Plan and Billing. Click on that option to proceed. Now that you're in the Plan and Billing section, you'll need to carefully scan through the options available. You should be looking for something that says Cancel Trial, or perhaps Downgrade to Free Plan. These terminologies may vary slightly, but the essence is the same: to transition from the trial phase of your subscription. Once you've located this option, click on it. This is one of the most critical steps, as it initiates the change from the trial account. After clicking, you'll be prompted to confirm this action. It's a standard procedure when making changes to your account, and it's essentially there to ensure that this is indeed your intention. Go ahead and confirm the action. Once confirmed, your DocuSign account will now move to the free plan. The free plan is a fantastic option for continuing users. While it doesn't offer all the features of the trial, it still allows you the basic functionalities you might need. You'll be able to self-sign documents and, importantly, access all your previously signed files. This is especially handy for those who want to continue managing their signed documents without additional charges. And there you have it, a straightforward way to downgrade your DocuSign account from a free trial to a free plan. It's a simple process that ensures you can still make the best out of DocuSign's essential features at no cost. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.